Hello and welcome to another food review for my channel. Today is Monday, July 15th, 2019, and this week I will be doing a review of really my main number one go-to snack for my work lunches that I bring to work every day. It's such an awesome snack and it really is a staple in each of my lunches, and that is these Cello cheesy Parmesan cheese crisps. I just call them cheesy crackers. They're called Wisps, according to the company. But they're essentially just like a dried cheesy cracker. And the reason I really like them is just because of how delicious they are, as well as the fact that they are really just one ingredient, that Parmesan cheese. And they really talk about that all over the packaging. And this company, Cello, is owned by Schumann Cheese Inc., which is a company out of the United States, and they're a privately owned, family-owned company founded in 1945 by Arthur Schumann and his children, and they seem to be privately owned still, so they haven't been bought up by one of these huge conglomerate snack food companies, which is nice to see, supporting local American companies. So really, in terms of the company history and interestingness, if you'd like to check out more, I have their link to their website in the description below. Really, on their website, they've actually changed the packaging, it appears, and they have an online ordering system, although I wouldn't necessarily recommend buying off their website. You can pick these up for a lot cheaper at Costco, is what I've found. This large package here is 260 grams, and it costs $12 at Costco, whereas comparing to their online prices, it's around $16 to buy off their online ordering website. So I definitely would recommend, if you're going to pick these up and you do have a local Costco nearby, then pick them up from there. But they are still very expensive at $12, although being a cheese product, cheese is quite expensive, especially Parmesan. Good Parmesan is quite expensive. So you are paying for the quality. And according to them, they actually have won a lot of awards here. They have one from this World Cheese Championship or something like that, and then as well the American Cheese Producers. They've won awards from both of those for their cheeses, so that's excellent to see, and they really are excellent cheesy crackers. In terms of the packaging, I actually like this package a lot more than their new package that they've gone for. This one just seems a lot more wholesome, a lot more natural looking. The new ones are definitely more attractive and bold and provoking, but these ones really just have a more natural look to them. I like the greens and the natural kind of beige color they've gone for. I'm not sure what this design is supposed to be. Maybe it's supposed to look like Parmesan cheese, like a brick of Parmesan, aged Parmesan with those lines and cracks and kind of interesting designs all around. I'm not entirely sure, but to me it just kind of looks more natural, almost like kind of a woody looking color to it. And personally, I like this package a lot more. On the back, they talk about, again, how they only use their aged Parmesan, aged for 14 months, and then they bake it to get that crispy cracker taste and feel to it. And then they just mentioned that you can put it on salads or just eat it as a snack. And they are also very proud of the fact that it has a very high amount of protein, and then also, if you look in the nutrition facts table here on the side, also a lot of fat as well. So in 18 grams of this product, an 18-gram serving size, typically I'll do a 30-gram serving size for my lunches. I find that's usually enough to really fill me up and then with the rest of my lunch. But 18 grams serving size they have on the back is 9 grams of protein and 8 grams of fat. So really not a whole lot other than just the cheese in here. There's also a little bit of salt, which is excellent. And then if you look down here, the only ingredient is Parmesan cheese. This ingredients list is really just, it says just Parmesan cheese here, and then they mention what's in the Parmesan cheese. But that's it. Nothing, no preservatives, anything. Excellent to see. A lot of these snack foods they have nowadays, they have a whole huge list. This would be filled up with all the different ingredients they've put in here. This one, just cheese. Perfect. That's all I need. And that's really all it is for packaging. Now, how do Wisps taste? So really, in terms of the general shape of the wisp, they're all kind of circular like this, and they have a very airy looking texture to them. It's actually why they're named. They got the airiness and the crispiness, so they are wisps, air wisps. And yeah, they just have this kind of bumpy, circular, airy shape to them with all these little air pockets in them, and they have kind of a lightish yellow color to them as well. On the nose, just a traditional Parmesan cheese nose to them. They smell really excellent, and they taste excellent as well. In terms of taste, right off the bat, you get that kind of bitter aged Parmesan taste to them, and then you get a nice saltiness as well, and then it kind of coats your mouth with that cheesy oiliness to it, and it just has that general aged Parmesan bitter, savory, salty taste to it. Really an awesome taste. It's almost like sometimes you'll burn a little bit of cheese from the pizza and you peel that off and it's that crispy cheesiness. That's exactly what these taste like. That's the best comparison I can have to them, is when you kind of burn or crisp a little bit of cheese from a pizza or something onto a pan and you scrape that off and eat that. That's honestly what you get from this. It's an amazing circular deliciousness in a bag, and a really awesome and pretty nutritionally excellent snack. So definitely recommend Wisps if you're looking for a nice, nutritious, filling snack for your lunches, for work, or for school. Again, great for giving to kids as well. Having a nice little easy, cheesy cracker to give them instead of like traditional crackers or chips. These are much better and much healthier and much more nutritious as well. So definitely recommend even just picking up a bag of these. They are expensive at $12 for a 260 gram bag. But if you do like a 30 gram serving of these, it'll last you about, 9 or 10 days. And then that kind of splits out the price to about $1 per serving. So still expensive, but overall you are getting a really excellent cheese product here. So I hope you all enjoyed my review of Cello's Wisp Parmesan Cheese Crisp Crackers. Please like and subscribe, comment down below which foods or waters you'd like me to review on my Friday water reviews or every other Monday food reviews. And I will see you all on Friday for my next water review. Thank you.